Good morning, you guys. We're out here on the Half Moon Bay Jetty once again. It is around 7:07 in the morning and I've got 2 of my crab snares going. I brought some friends, they're back here, and man, I warned them about the jetty. I told them it's not easy and we barely made it out onto the rocks. So I'm gonna give this shallow end a try. Who knows, maybe there's some crabs here. And then I'm gonna go meet some more of my buddies down at the end of the jetty over this way. Boom, into the fog. See what's over there. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Fishing failures, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When?
Just left a comment on your YouTube video about
the
way you're using the crab measurements.
Oh man, yeah, dude. I'm gonna use it correctly today.
Yeah, it's just wasn't trying to bust your balls.
I don't know, dude. I felt something was off, but I was like, man, I don't know any other way. Might have been a crab, yeah. If you catch crab on the hooks, you're not allowed to keep it. All right, guys, give it a good hour out here basically near the beach. So I think it's time for us to go way farther out. I'm gonna leave my friends here. It is far, I'm warning you. It is not an easy hike, so let's go.
I wake up on Sunday morning, feel that ache inside my heart.
So you got snagged.
A lot of rocks.
Yeah.
My first time go this deep. I normally just saw like.
Yeah? I heard there's even lingcod here sometimes.
Caught here.
Yeah, but pretty close to the rocks, like no more than like 10 feet out.
But that's where you get snagged.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah. What are you using? Like sabiki style almost?
Yeah, speaking and with some squid on it.
All right, guys, so we made it down to the end of the jetty. I think I'm around number 47. Another one of my buddies from work showed up. He's set up over there somewhere. We'll see if he gets any luck. The water here is surprisingly like murky. It is kind of a red color. Hopefully it's not some kind of algae bloom. Not sure what that's about, but hopefully it doesn't affect the quality of the crabs. Hopefully we get some bites today because, man, early in the morning over there, nothing. There's a guy back there somewhere, and I've seen this happen so many times. They bring they bring a crab pot, one of those like $50 wire crab pots. I'll put a picture here. And I've seen this time and time again. People bring them, they throw them out, and then they can't get them back in. And they get stuck in the rocks. If you're thinking about it, don't do it. It's not worth it. You're gonna lose it. Use a snare. Good luck. It looks like some boaters got stuck out in the water and they had to be towed back in by the harbor patrol. This area over at the end of the jetty is just chock full of bird poop. It smells kind of funky over here. Kind of reminds me of my grandma's chicken coops in Mexico. But it's because all the seagulls come here to roost, and there's actually a dead one over here, if you can believe it. That seagull probably died because there's no crabs out here to eat. 0 crabs. Oh, there's a crab. There's a crab on this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a small one. Oh, it's small. Ah. All right, guys, so I just pulled up first Dungeness crab of the day. It does look pretty small, so we're gonna give him a measure. He is a male, and he is presenting us his claws right now. Look at these claws. But yeah, we're gonna give him a measure and then probably throw him back because he's pretty small. So thanks to some of the comments from the last video, I now know how to correctly use the bottom part of this ruler. So I measured it out, and it's at the very first little ridge down here where the crab needs to get to. And pretty sure this one's gonna be way too small. Yeah, it's probably about ½ inch too small. So we're gonna throw them back, but hey, they're out here. Crabs are biting.
Me llega esa duda que siempre estremece. Si valgo algo, ¿quién soy? Si alguien me amara como soy. Me he sentido mal todos estos meses, pero sé que el día vendrá en que la luz me brillará. Quiero solo esa mirada que me asegure que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que todo fue mi desperté, pero en mi interior siempre gritaban todas penas y queridas temporadas. Yo quiero amarme también, algún día lo lograré,
Look at this tiny, tiny little rock crab that I managed to loop while I was just fiddling around with my line. My line had some weird like kink in it, so I was letting it out and I just let the trap sit there randomly in the water. And this guy found it and grabbed a piece of the squid out of it. Hey, at least we got one Dungeness, one rock crab, both not keepers. Let's toss them back. Oh, there's some crabs. There's a big crab on this. Yes, come on. Can't lose these. Come on. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, there's a keeper. Keeper rock crab, I'll take it. All right guys, today is a good day. I just brought up this big keeper rock crab, and it's a male to boot, so awesome. Let's give him a measure just to see. I'm pretty sure he maxes out the ruler. More than maxes it out. And we have got our first keeper.
Tengo el empeño, mejorarme como persona. No soy de esos que no luchan. Espero que lo mismo hagas con problemas de tu vida, no son condenas.
3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a big crab. Oh, big crab. Don't lose it. Don't lose it this time. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Oh, it's a big Dungeness. Oh no, it's a rock crab. All right guys, second rock crab of the day. So happy. No keeper Dungeness yet. I'm gonna go pull up the other one in a sec and see. Maybe we get lucky. But hey, I'll take it. This guy is a male, as you can see by the apron. And we're about to give him a good measure and put him in the bucket. It'll be a keeper. Exactly 5 3/4. Yes.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why?
Oh, there's a crab. Oh, there's a big crab. Yes. Yes. Don't lose him. Come on. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Yes. Oh, it's another rock crab. It's another big one. All right, I've rounded out my meal for today. We've got 3 rock crabs, no Dungeness. I don't think I even got a small Dungeness today. All rock crabs, but man, we got it. This is a good dinner. This guy is very big too. He's got some meaty claws. So happy, so pumped, yes!
Forgiveness, 'cause you know I'm not that type. You know you had me good, but now I can't look into your eyes. Oh baby, just tell me I should give you more than a goodbye, babe.
All right, well, slow day at the jetty, but I got my 3 keepers. They're all rock crabs. I don't think I even got one single Dungeness crab. Man, maybe I'm too far out on the jetty. I don't know. I did see somebody over there have one. But, you know, let's go home. Let's cook these up. Let's have some dinner. I am starving, and then I'm going dancing later. So if you want to go salsa dancing, hit me up for that too. Let's go.